Welcome to BSides Jacksonville 2024. In your quest to restore my sight, you must first report to the Soldering village. There you will be given a bag of parts and a choice of LED color, my eyes. Select the color you prefer. You and your choices matter, and your unique perspective makes all of us stronger. Set your components aside. Your badge features 2 circuits, and there is a component list for each on the board. Circuit 1 consists of light-emitting diodes, battery holder, battery, simple add-on header, switch, and your circuit to components, capacitors and light-emitting diodes. By color, blue, red, black, and white. Do not remove from the packaging until you are ready to solder that component, as some small components are identical. I'll start with light-emitting diodes. The positive is represented by a plus or circle hole on the board. The plus or positive leg is the longer one. Flip the board over. Insert the longer leg through the circle pads. And repeat. Flip the board back over. Press the plus button on your iron and heat to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply heat across one pad and the component. Gently feed solder in, it should melt when touched to the part or pad. Add until the pad is covered, but solder beyond that is not needed. Refer to this diagram. We have now soldered one pad of each diode. This is so we can adjust if not flat. For example, we need to fix this. You can do this by holding the board upright, applying heat and a slight pressure to the component. Nice and flat. Now finish of the other pads. Next, snip the legs off and place your battery holder. Flip the board over. Solder the battery holder. If your tip turns black or it's hard to solder, apply some and then brush it off with the steel wool. Shiny again. Next is our simple add-on header. Put it in place and flip the board over. Solder a single pad to hold the component. Check that it is flat and not crooked. Heat and adjust if necessary. Looks good. Solder the rest of the header. Nice. Next is the switch, which will go on the back. We can use a trick for the first pad. Apply solder to the pad. This is called tinning. Then flip your board and heat the pad while guiding the part into place from the other side. Now that the switch is secure, finish soldering it. As this is a moving part, think of your solder as being structural. Your switch must be secure to prevent it from falling off during operation. You have completed circuit 1. Insert battery to test circuit 1. Success! If your board doesn't light up, make sure all components are making good connection. If you need help, ask for it. Circuit to features surface mount, rather than through-hole components. Surface mount components are small. Take care when opening them. Circuit 2 can be done with iron or hot plate. We will start by showing the iron technique. Apply solder to one of the pads and keep it hot. Move component into place while moving iron away. Hold in place until cool. Remove tweezers. Make sure the component is flat and secure. If not, heat the pad and adjust it. Solder the other side. Use the same technique for the light-emitting diode. The tweezers are ceramic and will not melt, but the diode top is only plastic, and it will. For the alternative method, you may request an available hotplate. Connect it to USB. Power it on by pressing the two buttons together. Place the working area over the hotplate. Coat the pads with solder paste and watch it melt. Gently place components. They will pop into place when close. Add more solder paste if needed. Remove board from heat. Circuit 2 can be tested at the testing station. Big thanks to Corey Harding for the original, open-source design. If you complete Circuit 1, show us for your way into the badge challenge. Where a working Circuit 2 will get you an exclusive sticker. I hope that this has been helpful and that you have an amazing conference. Thank you for restoring my site. Good luck and hack the planet.